So today we will how to install the cordless super machine. Okay, we have a super machine, so we will tell how to install the cordless super machine. Okay, let's see. So this is the cordless souping machine. Very easy to handle and very easy to work with this. So this is the super box machine, and there is a one battery is there. This is one brush, small one, and this is the round brush is there. And along with this also have the battery charger and adapter also is there. Okay, then now I will install this machine, so how it will work, so we will see. So first we start from here, so we will fill it. Then after this brush, so how we will fix, so this is movable, okay, this two. So first we will put here, this side we will put, easy to fix. Okay, then both side we will press little bit. Little bit difficult. Okay, so now is fixed. Then after this one also have little bit lock is there, so we will first press this one, otherwise it will not go inside. So we will do like this, it's fixed. Okay, then we will keep front side. So front side, this is a battery, this is the battery lock, so we will put like this, then press the lock and leave it. So now is okay. So now this is the power button. So if we start this one, press, is off. Okay, so this is there. Then second thing, this side also have a ring. All dust come inside this, so we can remove it, then we can throw. After we can again clean and again we can press here. So with the feet, first we will press this one, then we can easily of this one. And then if you will check this one, see all dust is here. Then after dust will clean, so we can use again this one. Okay, so this is, now you know how to work this one. I hope you understand, all people. So this cordless souping machine we will use in the tiles area also, and also like carpet also, carpet area also we can clean this one. So it's very easy to use and very helpful to during your operation. So definitely you can use this machine. So if you use this one, so you feel like very light. Thank you.